So, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on our Swiss franc JPY. Now, to those of you that are new, be it you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, follow the Telegram channel to also stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's see what we will be anticipating for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. First thing first, we would want to know our trend. That is the first thing you would want to ask yourself. What is the trend on your Swiss franc JPY? And it is very clear that Swiss franc JPY is on an uptrend move. You can clearly see that we are having a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Market is giving us a series of higher high, higher low, higher high and an higher low. Market is literally pushing up, right? And this is very clear that Swiss franc JPY is on a bullish move. It's giving us that bullish move, right? So because of this movement, this is to tell you that for if you're a position trader, or if you are a swing trader, or you are a long-term trader, you would want to hold your position for the next from 6 months, right? You would want to be going in for the buy right now. You would want to go in for the buy and hold the buy because in the long run, right, Swiss franc JPY give us a bullish move. So have that in mind that Swiss franc JPY in the long run will be giving us a bullish move. So you might want to open for the buy and hold, right? Now let's take a look at what we'll be anticipating for this week on our Swiss franc JPY. With what market is the market is currently giving us a pullback. That is to tell you that Swiss franc JPY will give us a bearish move this week. Now take a look at what Swiss franc JPY did. First week of its opening and closing bearish. You can clearly see that there was a first week of its opening and closing bearish. This was the second week of its opening and closing bearish. This is the third week of its opening and closing bearish. Now on this fourth week, we will be expecting the fourth week to open and close bearish. So that is to tell you that Swiss franc JPY will be giving us a bearish move this week. Now, this is the movement that Swiss franc JPY gave us, the high and the higher low that market did. Then here comes the higher high, and here is our higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. The Swiss franc JPY push up again to give us a new higher high, and currently an higher low is playing out. So the higher low is still playing out. It has not fully played out, finished. It has not finished playing out. It is still playing out. So we are still anticipating for more higher low to be made on Swiss franc JPY. So more pullback is what you should be expecting on your Swiss franc JPY. So this week will be a bearish week for us. Now, if you go to our Swiss franc JPY on the daily time frame, you can clearly see that this is a pullback. It's for the past 3 days, it's open and closed bearish. The one of it opening and closing bearish, the two of it opening and closing bearish, and this is the three of it opening and closing bearish. So Swiss franc JPY is still dropping. So let's see it drop till it comes to this low, thereby tapping our support level. Once it can drop to tap this our support level, I'll tell you guys what you should be expecting next on Swiss franc JPY because there's a strong possibility that markets will likely drop and break below it. Possibility is still very much there. But first, let's see it drop, tap this low. Once it drop and tap this low, I'll give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on Swiss franc JPY. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is very simple. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel, right? The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Like I said, this week we should be anticipating for some bearish move. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll give you guys an update on it.